Hello, my beautiful people in the building. Hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe. Okay, my country people. Now, cha-cha matter, now we still day. Now, cha-cha matter, my darling people. This one past Jeromeo. Una know say cha-cha come out yesterday. Talk say this bipolar wey she get, say she get belle, say na because say she no come dey take her medication na im make this bipolar come really affect her, wey be say she no come know wetin she come dey talk, so she talk so many things. She say because she no dey okay, but so many people say they no believe her story wey she talk, say she dey cover up for her husband. According to many ogbonge people dem, they say she dey cover up. She no wan talk the main truth, like wetin dey really happen. She dey lie, They talk so many things. They come talk say, so cha-cha dey lie. Make cha-cha talk the truth, say im dey cover up for her husband. She no wan talk the real truth. Say this one wey she just dey talk, so na kakabo story. So na so our ogbonge people talk. So me come dey reason the thing, say wetin you come make cha-cha dey cover up now for her husband? Wetin go make her dey cover up? I no understand. So say she come talk am for that video, say he see wetin her brother dey write for Instagram. He say no know wetin dey worry her brother. Say he never see her brother for 2 years now. And everything wey brother dey talk, say na lie. Say but he surprised, say his brother dey come dey do this kind thing to am. Say her husband dey okay, her husband no dey beat am. He say everything wey his brother dey talk na lie. Say her husband na very good man. He never lay his hand on her once. Na good father, na this. He praise the husband, But his brother now come still come out again now, come still repost. I go put the post for them more see. You can see repost right again, say cha-cha dey lie. He said because very soon we go hear the real gist. He said cha-cha dey lie for wetin cha-cha dey talk. So we no come know who we wan believe again now. I mean, don't know why his brother dey attack his own sister. And that part of my ogbonge people, and that part na me no see understand. That not clear for my side now. I dey surprised, say wetin go make a brother dey attack his sister, my people. He say, and the sister see lie. Cha-cha, you know say cha-cha talk and say she never see this brother for 2 years now. Her brother say na lie. Say last year he dey their house. Now her brother come post the picture wey they take with the children with cha-cha. He come post am. He say so cha-cha dey lie. But wetin come make his brother now dey attack his sister? Now his sister before. So now that part now me no understand. Why he dey attack his own sister, my people? So me no understand this kind brother. Even though say let's assume say cha-cha dey lie, say na truth, but wetin go make his brother now dey attack her? Brother say the real things go come out, then our ogbonge people go see hear am. So he wants maybe say bloggers go dey blog the thing, say because they go really see many things to talk about. So me no go understand this brother now. Wetin make am now dey attack cha-cha? Be if he beg cha-cha something before, what cha-cha not do for am, wey be say he come dey disgrace her like this. His own sister for that matter. They say this life not balance, It not really balance, so my people. The thing they shockalize me, like the thing they surprise me, say wetin make cha-cha brother they do this thing? He can't even post he really want to fight with the sister. He say his sister dey lie, never tell us the truth. And so many ogbonge bloggers they just talk and say she dey cover up, say she dey you know what she dey do. Say she dey suffer for that marriage, but she dey pretend to herself like everything dey okay. You just dey cover up for your husband. I don't feel hear that for so many people matter. This maybe Those are not just normal talk. They want just spoil the girl name, you know. But the way the thing come they go now, even he brother now they talk and now say she did lie. The brother say he no believe, say she did lie, say she no want tell people the truth, wetin she did pass through for a marriage. So who can they talk the truth for the two of them now ogbonge people? Who can they talk the truth, man? So I pass Joromi o. This one, he pass Joromi. Because me, I not gonna understand wetin go make a brother now they attack him. And Chacha they talk say his husband they okay. He never beat am once. His husband they very okay. Say no wetin they worry his brother. They don't know why a brother they do this thing to Ram. You know, she was saying so many things. That is why the thing they surprise me now. Say that because she not gonna take her medication, now he make she dey talk out of sense. We be say she can't take come and talk say she is done with the marriage. He said that because say she not dey okay. And what did she talk? So we not gonna understand why a brother they do this thing. Now that part, now me not really see who go explain to me where. I don't understand. Because a brother they if he talk, the brother go see come out for her. So he be. When he talk yesterday, now the brother see come post you today. So the thing now like they choctalize me now like the thing they surprise me now. Say, what it make a brother they do this thing? My people, I don't understand. It's like no balance, oh. It no balance because some are brother and sister now. So Chacha, if na truth say you dey cover up for your husband, my dear, who they laugh, it better pass who they cry. Eh? Who they laugh, it better pass who they cry. If you know say you not really dey happy for your marriage, my dear, no waste time. Oh, may you base. I die know. It dey late. Oh, I die know. If you know say really say if the man they beat you, and you know they enjoy the marriage, and you get belle now, my dear, because such how me know before, so you fair be. I remember when you can't slim down that period. That's slim. I talk and say that's not normal. You say you want just not diet. I said no, this thing not be diet. No, the way you be, the way you look, it not just good at all. I said this one, I'm not going to use diet. Take you take the lie again. Now call the lie say na diet. First the lean like who carry who get agbe. Say na diet. I can't reason that thing that time. And I me they read the whole thing and the whole picture come they come now. And I even hear so now they take all those Maggi level. Just not be in. They worry you so. Cha. No cover up for husband oh. If una dey husband, if una dey marriage wey no good, more they cover up oh. Because the way me they look and you are dying in silence, Cha. You are dying in silence, I beg. If you dey cover up, my dear, no cover up me tomorrow. I die no. You get beautiful children, beautiful kids where God give you. I beg, not let one man come they destroy you, but they tell you say me you come they lie. Eh? You know, me not come they talk say na Vibola and they worry you. Because your brother now they attack you bomber to bomber, they follow you bomber to bomber. So if you they cover up, Cha, I beg, you stop. Oh, let this advice I say me man can't give you. My bonga people. So you wait they watch me now. What do you think about this video? What do you think? This is what Cha they do, so I don't understand that really. What do you think about the video? You can leave your comments for the comment section. Thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. So anything you think about the video, you can leave your comment. If you Cha the lie or a brother, may you reason the two. Then you leave your comment. Thank you. Bye. Share this video for me, please. Share the video.
Hello everyone. My name is Chacha Ekefani and I love my life. As you can see from this video, I am pregnant. And as has been peculiar with my former pregnancies, every time I'm pregnant, something in me just erupts. These things that erupt within me have just a few days ago finally gotten the diagnosis of being bipolar disorder. It makes me do crazy things think crazily and act crazily. Over the years, I have suffered episodes and I didn't know what they were, where they came from, these feelings that always made me feel different from the inside.